everybody, welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Today's September 29th, 2018. It's a beautiful Saturday here in Florida. Take a look around, I'll show you guys. We're on what's called the Courtney Campbell Causeway. This is the separator between Tampa and St. Petersburg, Florida. In fact, we're actually having dinner at Bahama Breeze. You guys are probably familiar with that chain of restaurants. It's a very nice place to have dinner. My parents wanted to give Kate a birthday dinner, so that's what we're doing. But with fourth quarter starting on Monday. Monday is October 1st. Today's the 29th, tomorrow's the 30th, and Monday is the 1st, the official beginning of fourth quarter. What makes successful sales? What makes a brand, a product, or a store successful, not only during fourth quarter, but during the entire year? Does anybody know what that one special secret sauce item is that makes every single successful company successful in their business? If you don't, it's advertising. Marketing, advertising, and coverage. It means reaching the customer. So me and my friend Drive Time with Dave have an old adage. It's called hanging the shingle up. And so pretend like you go rent a space in a shopping center for your used electronics shop. And all of a sudden you hang the sign ups, saying, hey, used electronics, come in and buy them. And then you go into the shop every day and you sit there and you wait for customers to walk in. Nobody knows who you are. Nobody buys your stuff. Same with the old FBA thing with my, my electronics cases. Everybody knows what OtterBox is. Why? Because they're marketing and they're advertising. Nobody knows what Casey's cell phone cases are, or Tammy's cell phone cases, or something along those lines. It's only those that spend money for marketing and advertising and promotion to get their name out there. It's the same reason why everybody always asks, like, why would McDonald's pay for billboards? Everybody knows what McDonald's is. Well, that's true, they do, but they want to keep in front of you. They want to make sure customers are always looking at McDonald's. And so what does this mean for you? Well, when you go on eBay and Amazon, what are we paying for fees? We're paying for them to market and advertise us because they have 35 million, 50 million, 100 million customers, and that's what we're paying for, is their marketing and advertising. That's what your fees are supposed to go to. And so reaching every customer that you possibly can is something that we preach here. The hanging up your shingle, waiting for a customer to come in and do business with you, is not something that we really focus on. We want to answer every message. We want to respond to every single best offer. We don't do auto declines on best offer. Even if somebody offers us $1 on a $100 item, we counter it, we respond. We decline only if we have to. We answer every comment on every channel, every possible thing that we possibly can. With the size of my following, does it mean that I get to everything? Of course not. Not everyone can answer everything, but we try to respond to everything we can. And most of you don't have that size of a following to have to respond to. So you should never ignore messages. You should never ignore social media. You should try to get out on every platform that you can. Wake up every day and try to reach out to every customer. Go on social media and look up hashtags of items you're selling and message people. Tag them in your post. Hashtag the things they're tagging. Go through your emails and respond to everyone. Go on your eBay and your Poshmark messages, your Amazon messages. Respond to the questions that people ask for measurements or they ask for material. Respond to all that. You only get so many chances to make a sale. And everyone that you auto-ignore or auto-get rid of is just another customer you're not reaching. Word of mouth is another huge one. Make sure you tell everybody you know about you. Tell everyone you know on social media about your stores, about your social media platforms, about your accounts, about your Instagrams. Reach out to everyone. My job on a daily basis is to respond to thousands of you guys. No matter how silly the question, no matter how positive, negative, no matter how big or long the message in the email is, it is my job to try to respond to every person I can, because each and every person may potentially be a customer who buys an item off my eBay, who signs up for a VIP, who maybe goes and watches a video of mine. This works for YouTubers as well. They need to get every person they can to go watch their YouTube channel. And so they want to share links with everybody they can. If somebody asks for a video about how to do shipping, you're going to share that link with them. The idea behind a successful business owner is that they're able to reach more customers than you are. The person that's beating you in business is beating you with customers, with production of, getting those customers in line and turning them into customers. It's sell-through rate, it's conversion rate, it's all the secret sauce to winning in business. Is more customers than the next guy. Why does Apple win? Well, because they have hundreds of millions of people that they market and advertise to, word of mouth to, people seeing their phones. Make sure everyone knows that you exist. If no one knows you exist, no one can spend money with you. It's kind of my lesson for you guys today, and hopefully you enjoyed the beautiful backdrop to learn that lesson. It is sunset here in Florida. Check out that view all the way around Tampa Bay. All right guys, so I'm gonna leave you with that. I'm gonna go back into Bahama Breeze. We're just about getting called. Go have dinner, and I'll see everyone next time. Make sure you email or message me, because I will respond to you. If you have anything you need to ask, I will get to it as quickly as possible. Thank you all so much. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. A few of you did say that you had been auto unsubscribed, so do make sure you're subscribed. And until tomorrow, have a wonderful evening.